Hi, I'm Jelly Friends. This is Audacity. And let's say I want to open some file, apples and bananas, good song. Let's open. But Audacity did not recognize the type of the file, MP3 file. So I'm clicking OK, and what I have to do, I just have to go to Google and write convert MP3 file to WAV file. Choose free online converter, and here I have convert MP3 to WAV. Select file. Let me select some. For example, this MP3 file. Open, convert. Then download and go to Audacity and open the WAV file. That's it. There is no problem now, and we can work. Thank you. Bye.